Want to know the secret recipe of juiciest kebab ever? Let's get started. Hello everyone, I am Tiash and welcome back to my channel Tiash at California. Today we are diving into the vibrant and flavorful world of Indian cuisine to make chicken Hariyali Tikka Kabab and a vegetarian version Paneer Hariyali Tikka Kabab. Juicy chicken pieces marinated in a herby green paste and cooked to perfection. It's a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. Now let's dive into our first recipe, healthy green chicken tikka kabab or chicken Hariyali Tikka Kabab. We are not going to use any artificial color here, but the chicken kebab will be green due to use of the herbs, coriander, mint and fenugreek. First I am going to chop the bell peppers and the onion into cube-sized pieces. Now I am going to add the chicken pieces along with the bell peppers and onion inside a big bowl. Now it's time to marinate my chicken and vegetables. I have started by adding the spices one by one. I am adding black pepper powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin, coriander, garam masala powder and little bit of chaat masala. Now it's time to make the key ingredient for the marination. We are going to prepare a green sauce. I blended the fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies, yogurt and the spices into a smooth paste. Now I am pouring this over the chicken along with the spices and the vegetables. I used 1.5 cup of the green sauce for 500 grams of boneless chicken. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Now I am gonna mix everything together by using my hands and I am gonna marinate it for 2 hours. Best if you can marinate it for overnight. Now let's keep this marinated meat inside the fridge. I already soaked my bamboo skewers in water for 1 hour and now I am adding the marinated chicken and vegetable pieces into it. It's very simple. For more information, chicken Hariyali Tikka Kabab isn't just delicious, it's packed with health benefits. Mint and coriander are excellent for digestion and rich in antioxidants. Onion, ginger, garlic, colorful bell peppers, flavorful spices all have anti-inflammatory properties. The lean chicken provides high quality protein. This recipe is also low in carbs, making it a healthy choice for your diet. Now you can grill them on medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes on each side until they are perfectly cooked and slightly charred. You can also air fry them or shallow fry them on the pan. I brushed my cooking pan with few drops of oil. Now I am adding the chicken skewers one by one into it and also I am brushing them with little bit of oil that prevent them drying from inside. Here is a tip. I like to add the remaining marination on the top of the chicken. It really makes the chicken very juicy. And there you have it, chicken Hariyali Tikka Kabab. That's juicy, flavorful and absolutely irresistible. Perfect as an appetizer or a main course. What would you like to pair this with? I'm going to surprise my family with these kebab treats. It's Friday today. I'm going to prepare a chicken wrap with homemade whole wheat paratha for my son and I'm gonna give him when he will come back from school and we will see the reaction. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Share your Hariyali Tikka creation with me by tagging me in social media. You can find my Insta and Facebook link in the description box. Now we will jump to our second recipe, Hariyali or green Paneer Tikka Kabab. Here we are going to replace the chicken with the paneer. Other ingredients will be the same. Here are the list of the ingredients that we need to make this Hariyali Paneer Tikka Kabab. You will find the detailed ingredients list in the description box below. I'm gonna start by adding all my veggies into a big bowl. I chopped them into big cube sized. Now I'm going to add the cubed paneer into this bowl. Paneer is a great source of protein for vegetarians that has many health benefits. Now I am adding some green sauce into it. I prepared this green sauce with yogurt, coriander and mint leaves, and I also added ginger, garlic and Indian spices. Now I am adding some gram flour or besan, some pepper powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin, coriander and garam masala powder, some rock salt and kasuri methi. Now I am going to mix all of them together nicely. Marination is done. Now we are going to keep it inside the refrigerator. Do you prefer your kebab spicy or mild? Can you please share your preference in the comment section? My ingredients are marinated well. Now it's time to cook them. I'm arranging my paneer and veggie into my wet skewer. I'm going to show you two cooking methods for this recipe: air frying and shallow pan frying. Don't forget to brush the tray with little bit of oil before putting the kebabs inside, and also brush the kebabs with little bit of oil so that they will be soft. Now I am going to air fry them inside my air fryer at around 350 Fahrenheit, 10 to 12 minutes each side. In the meantime, I am getting ready to shallow fry my other paneer tikkas. I brushed the hot pan with little bit of oil. Now I am adding the skewers on it. Very simple recipe, but taste so exotic and delicious. What's your go-to cooking method for kebabs? Please tell me in the comment section. And there you have it, Hariyali Paneer Tikka Kabab. That's juicy, flavorful and absolutely delicious. Perfect as an appetizer or a main course. Are you gonna make it in your next party? Among these three kebabs, which one will be your favorite? What recipe should we make next? Can you please drop your suggestions below? Just like Hariyali Chicken Tikka Kabab, our Hariyali Paneer Tikka Kabab is also not only delicious but rich in health benefits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Tiash at California. And please share this with your friends. See you in the next video. If you have not seen my Hara Bhara Kabab or Chicken Sikh Kabab recipe video yet, please click on the links that is popping up on your screen now. Stay well, happy holidays. See you all after holidays.